Good morning students. Today we are going to see Geography, Unit 1, India Location, Relief and Drainage. In this class we are going to see only India location. India is the 7th largest country in the world and the 2nd largest country in Asia. It forms a part of South Asia and is separated by the Himalayas from the rest of the continent. India's total area is 32,87,263 square kilometer. India land and water frontage. India shares its 15,200 kilometer long land border with Pakistan in the west, Afghanistan in the northwest, China, Nepal and Bhutan in the north, and Bangladesh and Myanmar in the east. About 6,100 kilometer long coastline of India is washed on three sides of the country by the Indian Ocean in the south, the Arabian Sea in the west, and the Bay of Bengal in the east. India and Sri Lanka are separated by a narrow and shallow sea called Pak Strait. Then India and the world. The Indian landmass has a central location between the East and the West Asia. The Trans-Indian Ocean routes which connect the countries of European countries in the west and to East Asia. As India is a subcontinent, India along with the countries of Myanmar, Bangladesh, Pakistan, Nepal, Bhutan and Sri Lanka is called a subcontinent. This region also possesses a distinct continental characteristics in physiography, climate, natural vegetation, minerals, human resources, etc. Hence, India is known as subcontinent. Now we are going to see India's location and extent. India extends from 8 degree 4 minutes north to 37 degree 6 minutes north latitudes and 68 degree 7 minutes east to 97 degree 25 minutes east longitudes. Hence, India is located off the northeastern hemisphere. The southernmost point of the country is Pygmalion Point or Indra Point, located in the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. The north-south extent of India is 3,214 km and it extends from Indra Col in Jammu and Kashmir in the north to Kanyakumari in the south. The east-west extension is 2,933 km and it stretches from Rann of Kutch, that is in Gujarat state, in the west to Arunachal Pradesh in the east. The Tropic of Cancer, 23 degree and 3 minutes north, passes through the middle of the country, dividing into two halves as northern temperate and southern tropical lands. India has been politically divided into 29 states and 7 union territories for administrative convenience. Amaravati is the new capital of Andhra Pradesh, but according to Andhra Pradesh Reorganization Act, Hyderabad will be the capital for both the state of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana till 2024. Then now we are going to see Indian Standard Time. We shortly say that one: IST, I for Indian, S for Standard, T for Time. The Earth rotates through its axis around 360 degree in 24 hours. Thus, a difference of 1 degree longitude will make a difference of 4 minutes in time. For example, the difference in local time between Gujarat and Arunachal Pradesh is 1 hour 57 minutes and 27 seconds, that is approximately 2 hours. Since Arunachal Pradesh is towards east, it will have the sunrise 2 hours earlier than the Gujarat, which is the west. To avoid this difference, we calculated the Indian Standard Time. The local time of central meridian of India is the standard time of India. India's central meridian is 82 degree 30 minutes east longitude. The IST, that is the Indian Standard Time, is 5:30 hours ahead of Greenwich Mean Time. Thank you.